Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of networking to bring you the top 5 best modems of 2024. With the ever-increasing demand for high-speed internet, having the right modem is crucial for a seamless online experience. So let's explore the cream of the crop. Kicking off our list is the Speedmaster 9000, a powerhouse brought to you by TechConnect. This beast boasts lightning-fast speeds and supports the latest Wi-Fi standards, ensuring smooth streaming, gaming, and browsing. With its advanced DOCSIS technology, it's compatible with most internet service providers, making it a versatile choice for any home network setup. Next up, we have the TurboNet Pro, engineered by NetSpeed. This modem is a game-changer for heavy internet users thanks to its robust performance and innovative cooling system, ensuring optimal operation even during peak usage hours. With multiple Ethernet ports, it's perfect for connecting multiple devices simultaneously without sacrificing speed or stability. Coming in at number 3 is the StreamLink Elite, designed by ConnectTech. This modem not only delivers blazing fast speeds, but also puts control in your hands with its intuitive user interface and advanced parental control features. Whether you're streaming your favorite content or managing your family's online activities, StreamLink Elite offers peace of mind and exceptional performance. Our fourth contender, the NetBlaze X, brought to you by LinkWave, is a compact yet powerful solution for modern connectivity needs. With its seamless integration with mesh Wi-Fi systems, it ensures a strong and reliable connection throughout your home. Plus, its sleek design makes it a stylish addition to any tech-savvy household. Last but certainly not least, we have the ultra-speed Gigabit created by Hyperconnect. As the name suggests, this modem is all about speed, offering blazing fast gigabit connections for lightning-quick downloads and uploads. With its future-proof technology, you can stay ahead of the curve and enjoy high-speed internet for years to come. And there you have it, folks, the top 5 best modems of 2024. Whether you're a casual user or a hardcore gamer, there's a modem on this list to suit your needs. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay connected. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. See you soon.